Are you having a hard time running your business smoothly? Do you want to grow your business? Then you need an ERP software that will save you time and money so you have more time to think about growing your business. It will help you better manage your business with efficient operational and financial controls. For small and medium-sized businesses, Master ERP is an excellent tool, easy to use just like your everyday apps. Whatever your business is, wholesale, retail, manufacturing, supply, export, import, or any service business, all your key information will be at the tip of your fingers. Our built-in accounting, operational, and risk analysis reports will help you make the right decisions for your business. Wherever you are, Master ERP brings your business information right to you, always and all the time. For your free trial today, please contact www.bongosys.com/master-ERP.